Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to jump within the Call of Duty game. So let's get started right away. Now if you already have the Call of Duty game installed on your device, then go ahead and open it up first. And then you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. You can use your Facebook account or your Call of Duty account, and you can also continue as a guest. Now from the main menu, once you have chosen to start a new game, then your match will begin. Now once your match has started, you can see various different controls on your screen. If you look over to the right side, you will find the controls that you can use in order to change your player position. If you tap on the jump button, which is located at the right side of the shoot button, then your player will jump. And when you move along and tap on this button at the same time, your player will jump while running. You can also find other different options, such as the option to crouch and the option to prone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to jump on the Call of Duty game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.